Hey, what's up, guys? It's Rick Ginn here with Flip with Rick. And sorry for my heavy breathing. I just got done with my Saturday morning workout. But I wanted to formally introduce, if I can stop sweating for a moment, the Flip with Rick YouTube channel. And I've decided to just go ahead and set up a channel, and everything's free. It's free content. I'm going to share my deals. I'm going to share my team, and I'm going to share my 15 years of experience, because I see so much bad information being put out on the internet. And honestly, do me one favor, do not take a grain of salt unless you see the fruits of somebody's labor. So over the last 15 years, I've flipped in excess of over 1,000 homes. I've recently trained my son, who is 19 now. He's actually a full-time college student, and he's flipping deals left and right, and we work together, and I have an entire team. So do me a favor, there'll be a subscription button that you can keep up to date on everything on the Flip with Rick channel. If you have any questions, share it below. I'm committed to post at least once a week. I've made a commitment, and what we'll do is try to share this to all the other feeds. But the best way to stay in contact with me is through YouTube. We'll do some recorded events on the deals we do. We'll walk you through the numbers. I'll specifically show you my secret marketing techniques I've used over the last 15 years that works, but you have to work it. And for those of you that want to work with me and really get my inner circle, I'll show you how to do that. Really cool stuff coming your way. You'll see my son, he'll post a lot of comments. He runs the acquisitions department, so he spends all his time in front of the customers, and he's heavy on the marketing, and we work together as a team with it. So if you like the father-son type of thing, those of you that followed me over the last 15 years, I'm going to give you a formal place outside of just doing Facebook posts and regular emails. So let's connect on YouTube. Just go ahead and subscribe below, and you'll see content posting from today on. And I'll make sure we post a schedule on the days we go live. So if you want to interact with me, Zach, and our team live, and you got questions, we'll answer them right there. So I appreciate all my loyal followers. I hope I find new people that really want to learn how to do real estate investing. You can do so much more than just wholesaling. Wholesaling's a one-trick pony. It's really simple to learn wholesaling. To learn how to really do real estate investing. Sorry, I'm a little delirious with the workout. Follow the Flip with Rick. Click the link below, and I'll connect with you guys soon. Thanks.